Minasan konnichiwa. I'm walking towards Orchard Central Mall from Mr. Lee Kwan Yew's former house at 38 Oxley Road. Actually, it's further in front, but I decided to do the video from here. This is 28 Oxley Road, Oxley Mansion. I just walked a few kilometers already today, and I'm taking it slow now because I just did my 2 weeks already ingrown toenail extraction surgery. Until now, it's still a bit pain, but I'm still wearing the shoes. Oh, I just explored this area. A lot of private house, man. And I noticed the road is not even. There's a slope. Now I'm going down slope. Just now it's up slope. And there's a road called Kennedy Road. There's a lot of like kopitiams. Budget restaurants. Like the Kennedy Curry Puff and kopitiam. They're also near the Orchard Central. So we are going towards that direction. You'll see a neighborhood police post of Orchard Neighborhood Police Post Center. Oh, there's a Winston house too. That's nice, but okay. Let's try to walk this way. Just like I came from behind. There's a nice building here called Winston House too. I think there are some like insurance companies in this unit. Hey, this Winston House too is part of the Orchard Heritage Trail, man. So it built in the 1910s and then become an office development in the early 2000s by Dr. Thomas Oxley. Wow. Address were then 4A and 4B Oxley Road, so 990 was sold for redevelopment. And the URA Architecture Heritage Award in 2002. Oh man. It looks like a French colonial building. Wow. This is interesting. Lucky I chose this way to walk. But I'm thinking of food now. Hungry. What a nice company. I don't know what to do there. What's their services and products. This one is Winston House one. So it's like connected. Oh, I got cross the road, man. That building is Orchard Central. Orchard Gateway already. So we're going to reach. Skate park, man, for the youth.